Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add money to your Chime account using Wise Bank. So let's get started. So first open your Chime app on your phone, and once you're in, tap on the Move Money option at the bottom of the screen. After that, you'll see different ways to add funds such as direct deposit, mobile check deposit, and cash deposit at an ATM. But in this video, we'll focus on transferring money from another bank, specifically your Wise Bank account. Then tap on the Transfer from Other Banks option and select Link an external account. And then the app will open Plaid, which is a secure service that connects your bank accounts. Instantly tap Continue, and you'll see a list of popular banks. If you don't see Wise listed, just type Wise in the search bar once you find it. Log in with your Wise account credentials to securely link your account. After your information is verified, choose your Wise bank account and confirm the connection. Now you can transfer money directly from Wise into your Chime account. And once the transfer is processed, your funds will appear automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to add money to your Chime account using Wise Bank easily and safely. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.